Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What happened? Very late today?
Sir?
Very late today?
No, sir. On time.
Morning, sir.
Good evening, dear.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. You can see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yesterday. Okay,
Mhm.
never mind.
Yesterday?
Nothing, sir.
Any questions before we start?
No, sir.
Sir? Sir,
So
what,
one more
sir?
person has to.
Any questions before we start?
No, sir.
So one more person has to join, sir.
What happened to Tarun? He went to his native.
I don't know.
Just a second.
Hey, Nitish, speak once, sir.
What?
Nothing.
So everyone
Yes,
can,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, everyone joins, sir.
Hey, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Tarun
Yes,
will
sir.
not join today.
Yes, sir. I
Sir,
don't
you
know
didn't
why.
join the previous class, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone on their videos.
Psych, no.
Yes, sir. Start, sir. You can start.
Just a second. Okay. So you see there are 5 tasks which we will do today. They are basically different type of questions. This is the first one. See that, can you solve it? So I'll show you how to solve these type of questions and the mechanism, all these things. Okay. So it is asking,
sir.
basically it is principal finding task. What sum of money will amount to this much in 2 years at 10% per annum compounded annually. We will prefer to use the formula and not the
Sir,
hard
P
way.
times 1 plus
No, it's
Firstly,
P
we should-
R. No, it's not
3. No, it's wrong.
Firstly, we should
3000.
always draw the diagram. Okay, we should always draw the diagram. We want to know the principal amount. We know the amount at the end of the year, which is 3630 at 10% per annum, both years.
Sir.
So after
Sir, it's
drawing
easy to
that,
found, right, sir? Like, we
yes,
don't know
it
the
is
principles.
easy. So amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power n.
And
So see, can you apply what? Can you apply these things?
yes, sir. Sir. Yes, sir, we can,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, like, we don't know the principle, right?
Right.
Yeah, so, sir,
Sir, we can do this.
We know, yeah, we
Right,
know
right,
the
right.
amount. Like, is it right, sir? Like, we find the amount and we find the rate also. We know the n amount of years. We just have to send everything to the right hand,
Sankalp, talk
right hand
less,
side.
work
And,
more.
Hey, be quiet. I'm asking sir a question.
Just asking if it's
Mind
right
your
or
own
not.
business, idiot.
No bad words.
I'm nearly done.
So in this, the amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by under that one. You were finding the principal for the second year, right, sir? With that thing.
I am done.
For this, the principal, like you're finding the principal with this formula for the second year, right?
Yeah. No, the principal, the overall principal.
Principal.
No, but first you have to find the principal for the second year, right?
No need to do all that.
Yeah,
You
I
can
don't
directly
know.
find it in the formula. I'm
Yeah.
done. Sankalp, you're done.
Almost.
I'm the first one to do it. I'm so proud of myself.
How do I do it without knowing the amount of sort of first year?
Okay, see, I'll give you a clue. More like I'll just tell you how to do it. So the overall amount is equal to 3,630, right?
Mm.
Yeah. Like you just.
It's equal to, wait, it is
Shut up,
equal
I didn't
to
ask you something.
principal times 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to 2.
Yeah.
That's the
That's what I
principal
did.
for first year.
You get it right? No, that's the overall principal.
No, that's
you'll
the
be able to
overall
find.
principal.
So just write normally without writing the principal, and I get the principal with
No,
the
Day,
overall.
just solve for it, Raj. Just solve for it.
Okay,
You'll
okay,
get the
okay,
answer.
okay, okay,
Just solve
okay,
for
okay,
P.
okay, okay, okay.
Sankalp, are you doing that long division?
Yes.
Hey, Psych,
What?
Sankalp's wrong.
What?
There's no
What?
long.
What?
Are you doing that long division in
said-
that?
Dude, like you just have to send those things to the other side, right?
Then those things are what things?
Like see this 3630. See,
Anybody got the answer?
this is
Yes,
the
sir,
1
I'm
second,
done.
sir.
Sankalp and Nitish should find it yet.
How much?
Sir, 3,000, sir.
Very good.
3,000. Oh.
Yeah.
How?
So see, so it is like this. We know amount is 3630. We want to find the principal.
Sir,
we know
I'm
R?
getting it.
Wait,
300,000.
wait.
No.
R is
Oh,
10.
Oh.
R is 10.
Yes,
10
sir.
by 100. And N is 2. Which means this is 3630 principal into 1 plus 1 by 10 whole square. When we take LCM, it becomes 3630 is equal to principal into 11 by 10 whole square this becomes 3630 equal to principal into 11
121
square 121 divided by
100, sir.
Sir, I didn't do it like that, sir. Sir, like,
there can be other ways
oh my
also.
God, that was addition. Sorry, sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. And then it's 3,63,000
So this
divided
is
by
30
121,
times.
sir. Oh my
30 times.
God. I did 3,63,000 divided by 121, sir. It took me so long.
So be careful when you
So I got it correct
calculate.
though.
Okay? Yes, yes. The principal is equal to
Smart, not hard.
3,000. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understandable.
Yes, sir.
It's,
Shall we move to the next task?
not
Yes,
task,
sir.
so one more question on this, please.
Yeah, that's the task.
More questions.
Sir, please, sir.
So what do you
And
mean my
you-
next task?
So
Like the next-
will you cover the other variety of question? I'm okay to do
Sir.
5
So, like,
questions
okay.
of same
Yes,
type.
sir.
can-
Other
we can-
variety. Other variety.
Like,
Sir,
let's
saves
just
more
get
time.
thorough and like let's just get thorough in this and go to the next one, sir.
So that's what happens.
Hey, this
To
you can
be
practice on your
thorough-
own, Ra.
To be thorough, it's your job.
Yeah.
My work is to
The job is to
initiate.
teach.
Don't worry. If you find any difficulty in other questions of this type, we can always discuss. Okay.
I got it, sir.
Okay. Let's see the second task. Rate finding. The question is this. So as always, we'll put the diagram first. How many vertical stands this time?
So three
3, sir.
vertical lines.
3, sir.
So 3. What do we know? We know the principal amount, right? At what
Sir, can you do it
percentage
on our own?
per annum? At what percentage per annum compound interest will 2000 amount to this much rupees in 3 years? Means 2000 is the principal amount. Final amount is 2315.25. Happens in 3 years. We don't know the percentage. That is what we want to know.
Yes.
So again, as usual, amount is equal to principal
sir.
into 1 plus r by n raised to the power n. Try that. Can you find,
Yes, sir,
amount,
we'll do it.
you
We
know
can do it.
principal,
It's nearly the same type.
Yes, sir.
right?
What is 100 cube?
It's 1000.
Oh. How
100
is it
cubes,
1000?
1000. Thank you
I'm just
so
kidding,
much.
It's 1 million, bro.
Calculator, right? Calculator.
No, it's my hand.
What? You have a
I
calculator
used
in your
that
hands?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Calculator, yeah.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Then turn on your video.
Okay.
Keep the calculator aside and turn on your video.
Okay. I kept the calculator.
Oh, yeah, actually. Nitish.
I do like this though. I do like this.
Pade, caught in 4K ra.
Got 4K, I got 4K.
By the time I get caught, it's only like 140.
So it's going too far, sir. There's some very big divisions.
Really?
Well, I am getting very big divisions.
Not really. Dave, if you turn on virtual background, we can't even see you, da. Now only we can see you. If you like bend down, we can't.
So
We
got it?
can't.
Sir,
So
I
one
got
second,
it,
sir.
I got it, sir.
That guy is calculator, sir.
Yes, sir. He
I'm
is
not.
calcu
I'm not
boy,
using
calculator.
calculator.
Yes, you are.
At least I'm not faking like I did in last. You did in last cluster.
Right.
Second,
You can ask us the answers in 1 more minute, sir.
Okay.
I got the answer. I think. Maybe. If this is not right, I'm going to be so mad.
What you got?
Sir,
okay,
what?
the delayed. Already we mad.
Sir, 31,420, sir.
Day!
I don't know.
Day is like
Oh,
common
wait, how
sense.
is it
ra.
possible?
I know it.
I don't know how to do it.
Should not run a
Sir,
bank.
can I use calculator?
No, you don't require.
No, you're not
officer.
allowed to.
Sir, why?
Why?
You need, sir. Sir, how will I find the square cube of such a, I mean, like cube root of such a big number?
You can find the right hand side is cube of what?
Wait,
You
I-
can cancel the cubes.
No, no, sir. Both sides are not cubes. I want to make both side cube. I don't know what cube is like this big number.
What is the number?
I don't, sir, 157625. 1,57,625.
So you got a very small number. I'm
I got a big number, but after calculations, I got this.
So that
Only
is
number
why
I
I
got
am
is
showing
75.
you. That is why I am showing you these different type of questions. Okay?
oh
Yes,
my
sir.
god, I almost got it. Let's go.
I got it, I just have to like. One second. How do I cube root it, sir?
Yes. Amount is 2315.25. Principal is 2000. 1 plus r by 100 raised to the power 3. This is 2315.25 divided by 2000. 1 plus r by 100
Oh, wait, I multiplied 2,000.
cube. Okay. So this is equal to
So I went in a completely different way, sir.
I went.
We all know, da.
I didn't even go this. I didn't even go away, sir.
I know. Right.
315
So, but I'm still getting the
point
correct, sir.
divided by 2000.
So I like first solve the right hand side.
Hello.
So you're audible, sir.
Yeah, he's speaking in phone, ra.
Oh, shit.
So decimal you can bring out and this is 2 more zeros. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
31525 divided by 2 and 5 zeros. 100 plus
100,000.
cube divided by 100 cube. Can I write?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I guess.
Yeah, you can. You don't have to guess.
21525.
Shut up.
Sir, should we evaluate the top numerator also, like for the right hand side?
No, not necessary.
Sir, you don't need to do like 10 million plus r cube plus 2ab, like the a plus b whole cube formula.
No, not necessary to do that.
Oh my god. Anyways, I didn't even go that way.
Plus r cube divided by 6 zeros. I have 5 zeros here.
Yes,
So
sir.
I balance it
Yes.
and then cancel all the zeros. Okay. What I get
Sir,
is
what?
What?
How did you do that?
You can do
balance
that?
You did into 10 by 10. You into 10 by 10 you did on the left hand
Yeah.
side.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Oh, and then okay, I get it.
So isn't it 1 by 20 equal? If a by 20 is same as a by 30, then a by 2 is same as a by 3.
Sir, what?
So it is, sir.
I write it like, let's say if I had this equation, can I not say this that a equal to b?
I get how you did it, sir. I get how you did it.
So that's the same thing which we did for this also.
Sir, so
Yes, sir, I get it.
1 million, sir, so 1,157,625 is equal to 100 plus r, 100 plus r whole cube.
I have 2 also. Okay. So 2,
So I
3,
divided
1,
it.
5. Yes. So divided.
1,157,625.
1,157,625 is equal to 100 plus r
100
cube.
plus.
So what did you divide and got that? Oh,
There is
divided
a
by 2.
two.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you have to expand the 100 and r.
No, we won't expand and get into that trouble. So what I want is whose cube is this? That's all I want. Right? If I know whose cube is 1,157,625, then I can write it in some way. I want to know whose cube is that.
Yes, sir. That's
No
my
annotation,
problem.
please. Sorry, we will get
Sir.
that.
You can't annotate, sir.
So see, let's make a guess. And, it is a good opportunity to show you if calculators were not there, how people did the calculations.
So I think
The
it is.
unit digit is 5. So whoever's
Yes, sir.
cube is that unit
Oh, the
digit
last
will
digit
also
is
be
5.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So
Same here.
I have a 100.
100 is not
Hundreds.
possible.
Yes,
Everything
I
which
know.
end with 0 is not possible.
Yes, but at least it will tell it is before 100 or after 100.
It's after 100.
I have 10 lakhs. This candidate is 11 lakhs.
11
something.
lakhs. So it's after 100.
But the 200's cube is 80 lakhs.
80 lakhs.
So it's roughly, it's between
So
100
that
and
means
200.
it's between 100 and 200. So I have to check which of these numbers have units digit 5, once digit 5, and
105, 115,
cube is
125.
so the candidates are these many.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Your
we
answer
like
is one of
approximately,
them.
and we approximately know it's not too big because 100 cube itself is like only 10
Million, 10
lakhs.
lakhs. Right?
So it'll be one of
So-
the first three.
So I think it is
So-
going to be 115, sir.
So likely it is going to be this way, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's say we know something more about 125. 125 is 100 plus 25 cube. Right? 100 plus 20. Let's evaluate
sir.
this one.
Sir, 10
So-
million.
So a cube will be 10 lakhs. Something
Plus,
plus
20.
b cube plus 3
3
a
a square
square
b.
b, which means 3 into
3 times
25
10,000.
into
10,000, sir.
zeros 10,000 plus 3ab square. So 300 into 625.
625. Yeah, I know that.
Uh, this is 75. So this is 7,50,000.
The calculations are very big.
But the thing is, if we actually if the percentage is actually 25 percentage, then the number, the final year, it won't be 2,315, sir. It will be more than 2,315.
Should be more than
So, like you're saying, if the percentage is going to be 25, but if the percentage is going to be 25, the total amount will be more than 2,315, sir.
how do you know?
So, because like
Well,
if we
since
take
6.
so like if we
Did you calculate all 3 years?
so it is, I think it is going. So why do you have
At
to
this-
do all this, sir? We can like we have three options: 105, 115, and 125. You don't have to do this long calculation, right,
It
sir?
could be 135 also.
Yes, sir, but 135 is so close to 150, right, sir? So it can become 8 lakhs. It can become more than 11 lakhs.
More than 11 lakhs. Yeah, we have
Sir,
more
I
than
assume
11.
it's
More
105
than,
cube.
more than 12 lakhs. Yes,
More than 12
even I
lakhs.
think it is 105.
Okay,
It's
very
even
well.
105.
No, sir, we
So,
can, like,
what-
why do we have to do all this? We can simply, like, take 5, 15, 25 and simply do it P is equal to 2000 plus 5, sorry, into 5 into 1 by 100. We can simply do like that. And if it's not, we'll go to the next one. That's even simpler, right? It's a trial and error method.
more
The number you
calculation.
try will be a
There's only
Because
3
in
options, sir.
At this point, maybe if you are not comfortable with the calculation, you can go with calculator and check which one of them is cube is that number.
No, sir, I'm like saying the calculations are getting bigger and bigger, right? So we can do 5, 15, 25.
What you will do,
35.
you will say that, let's say 105. So you will plug in into the equation a is equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 power n and then verify. If it comes equal, fine. If it does not, you move to the next candidate. That is your work. What you are saying, no?
I think that's what he's trying to tell.
Okay, anyway,
One second, sir.
so this will come as actually 105 cube. Okay. So which means that 105 is equal to 100 plus R, and it means that R is equal to 5. Understandable?
Sir.
Because
So it
even
is
though-
one. So it is 105. So I got the answer as 105.
Yes, yes.
So like,
Very well. It
no,
was
sir.
a
Like
good luck. It was a good luck that 105 the first candidate worked.
yes, sir. So I actually did 125. So first 125, like it went too high. So I didn't want to go with 115. Then I went with 105.
Okay. Even so, point is boiling down to these candidates is enough to reduce the calculations. Was the tool was the ones digit, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's move on to
Yes,
the next
sir.
thing. The next task is years. So into how many years? 2000 will amount to 2662 at 10%
So the
per annum.
answer is 5, right, sir?
Yeah, the answer is
It was so instant. Sir, but you don't need to do anything in this because if it's compound interest every year, it will be one, sir. Like so, until you find 2662, it is that year, that amount of years.
So the answer is N, Nada.
No, sir. Like I mean, let's say I like in compound interest, it will
Can you show the
always
next
the.
question?
So I can't
Tell.
annotate in this. So that's it.
okay.
Like
Tell me.
so, like in compound interest, the years will always be in one, right, sir? Right, sir. Like, let's say for the first year, I find the principal as 2000, the rate as 10%, and the year will always be 1/100. That will be the amount for the first year. So if that is not equal to 2662, we go with the next year. If that is also not equal to 2662, we'll go with the next year until we get 2662 as the final as the final amount. We'll have to keep doing it, right, sir?
You have a fixed period of 3 years. Why you are going for 1 year, 2 year, 4 year, 5 year?
So I'm not talking
Understanding?
about this sum, sir. I'm not
Okay.
talking
Oh.
about this sum, sir. I'm talking
Okay.
about the next sum where
Task
the year
Yeah.
is not given. So you
Okay.
have to keep doing the compound interest. You have to keep doing the compound interest formula until we get 2662, right, sir? That is also a method, right?
So that is a hard way which has been there with us. But formula reduces our work. How? See, again, in this, what we know, there are principal amount is
A is
Total
equal
amount.
to P into 1 plus.
and we have R.
Yes, sir.
So A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power N. N is the thing which we want to find.
Yes.
So we know A 2662. We know principal 2000. We know R 10 by 100. We don't know N. That's all.
Sir.
We don't really have to do it that many times. Although it is a hard way correct. I'm not saying it is not correct. It is correct. But why to spend more time when we have a better and quicker methods?
Sir.
That is also correct. Both are correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So simple. 662 as usual by 2000. 1 plus 1 by 10 to the power n becomes 1331 divided by 1000. 7 by 10 raised to the power n. This becomes 1331.
1 second, can you go to the previous slide? Sir, why can't we do it like multiply 2000 with 1? Like first multiply them. It'll be 2000 plus 2000 by 10 whole raised to n. It just
What?
makes the calculation easier, right?
No. So the point is,
So what did he say? Like, what did he say?
he's saying like this.
Sir, doesn't it make
Right?
it easier?
You're
Sir,
saying this, no? They both
Sir.
are not same.
No, sir. 1 second. How are they not same?
No, they are not. It was same when power is 1.
Oh my god, I did the same mistake for last one. I thought they were equal.
So they are not same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because of the power.
Yes, because of the power. In fact, it is a very classical example to show that a plus b power
Plus b
n
whole cube.
is not same as a power n plus b power.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Right, that's right. Anyway, this becomes 11 by 10 raised to the power n. And 1331 is a cube of something. Can you tell why? What?
The cube of the starting numbers.
N cube.
Is it because the first number is 1 and only 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1?
Sir, it's so
That is
easy. It's
just
easier
a
than the other
hint.
ones.
Generally, the
3
cubes
years.
should be remembered. It should become a habit to identify cubes or squares. Becomes habit.
Oh, but the thing is, how did you specifically know it is going to be cube? So it can be square, it can be.
It could be, yes. So in my memory,
That's what,
there
like when
are
you see a
certain.
number itself, you should recognize it that it's the cube of this number.
So in my
Also a
memory,
practice.
there are certain numbers which have more visualization, like 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on. 1, 8, 27, 64, so on, like that. Okay. Like 1,
Like in the left hand side, if the numbers are like very big, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the denominator is like 9 9 8 9 8 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 3 2 1 is equal to this one in the left hand side, it's equal to a by b to the whole n. Then how do we know if it's going to be a cube or
chances are very less. Chances are very less to recognize that power. But for smaller numbers, it should be to recognize. Bigger numbers are less likely to be recognized. If your memory is that much capable to remember bigger powers and bigger numbers, that numbers also will become trivial for you.
yes, sir.
Actually, reminds me of something which I'll tell you later. It's related to these things. Is equal to our number of years is 3.
Yes, sir.
See the next task. This is this. It's a little different. Read it carefully and think. The situation is like this. How many years are there? 2 years.
Yes.
Sir, we've done so many questions like this
stamps.
in our school, sir.
It's a little
Wait, we
different.
did CI and SI. Difference between CI.
The difference.
So relatively, this is a new type of question. What it is telling that know the principal amount 8,400
Yes, sir.
and there is type of amount. One amount comes from the compound interest, which I call as A1, and another amount is A2, which comes from simple interest. Given that A1 minus A2 is 21 rupees, the same rate of interest per year. The question is, what is that rate of interest?
It's pretty difficult.
Not difficult. Think of each interest individually. Find A1 and A2. There will be only one parameter left. See, that's how it is.
Sir, we're missing two things.
Yes.
It's interest
The rate of interest
Interest
and
and
the
the amount. Nitish, where were you the whole while you haven't
See.
been spoken?
Let's say this is the first equation for A1.
We can use the P and we can do like
Yeah.
amount is equal to 8,400 into 1 plus R and 2 years is there, right? The power of
So A1 corresponds to the compound interest.
Nitish, we can
So
hear you
A1
typing on the
should be-
calculator.
So
Is my
A1
pen
should be
clicking that?
8,400 into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power
My
2.
pen clicking.
2. Yes, sir.
Okay.
A2 is simple interest. So
Yes,
A2
sir.
becomes principal into R
8,400
into T by
8,400 into 1
plus
R by
no
100.
plus 8,400 into R by 100 times 2.
Into
Okay, forgot the
2
plus.
because we
Sir, plus.
yeah. Sir,
Sir, plus 8,400
Right?
what?
for A2. Sir, like. So
It is simple
that's
interest.
how it works, right?
Simple interest.
This is simple interest, Congovel.
Well, sir, finding the amount of the simple interest, right? So
Yes. A2 for the
we
second
should
year.
add. So we should add 8,400, right?
You don't
Either
have
you
to.
can write it in this way, or you can write it in this way. Both are same things.
Sure, but that is basically going like the hardware, right? So this is what we did in the hardware.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay.
In simple interest, the principal amount doesn't change for any year. It remains same as the principal amount for the first year.
Yes, sir.
Either you
Sure.
calculate individually every year and then sum, or you multiply the copy that many times. Both are same.
Congovel, the formula of simple interest is P into R into entire time period.
R
right?
by 100 into time.
Yeah, that's what I by 100. Yeah,
PRT
sorry.
by 100. PRT by 100.
Sorry.
So this,
Yeah,
so
PRT by
this
100.
becomes from first equation. We have A1 8,400 into 1 plus R by 100 whole square minus A2 8,400 into R by 100 into 2
It's equal to 21. 21.
What is the parameter which is left in this equation?
R, sir.
So we need to solve for that variable.
Yes.
How to do that? So I take 8,400 from here. And so let's do it this so common. Then this is 1 plus r by 100 whole square minus 2r by 100
Sir.
equal to 20, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To solve this, so this is where your quadratic equation comes. Open the expansion 1 plus so a square plus b square plus 2ab two r by 100 cancels with 2r by 100. You have is only
How did you get another 2r by 100?
a
Days.
plus b whole square.
Okay, okay. Yes, I get it.
So this cancels. This becomes, so this I get into the denominator plus r square by 10,000 equal to 2 by 8,400. This comes as r square by 10,000
Sir, it's equal to 21, sir, not 2.
21. 21. Did we do a mistake anyway?
Sir.
So,
1 plus,
I think
sir. Go to the
it's-
next slide, sir. So go to the next
Go to
slide.
the next slide.
Sir, we have 1 plus r square by 10,000. Where did the 1 go?
Yes.
That 1
A,
plus. We didn't even add it.
A,
sir.
but yes, duh,
It
but
came
1
back.
square is equal to 1, right?
Day. Now, you don't even get it. Okay, now mind, sir. R square.
8,800.
1000.
A1 minus A2.
Sir, I think
I think
8,004.
it's
So amount
I
of
think you have to-
like SI interest is 8,400 plus 8,400 into R by 100 into 2, right, sir?
Sorry.
So I think it's in the next slide only, so not in this slide.
So just a second. This is not the amounts difference. We have the difference between the compound interest
Simple
and simple
interest.
interest. It's not the amount.
Sir, it's basically the difference in amount, right, sir?
No.
Oh,
Sir,
yeah.
but it is
It's not.
difference between compound
Sir,
interest
it is,
and
sir.
simple interest.
No.
Sir, it
Wait,
is.
Wait.
But sir, it is the difference between compound interest and simple interest. But what, like, but for which year?
Compound.
Oh, sorry. Obviously
yes.
for the second year, because first year is always same.
Amount is different from.
Can't waste.
Yeah. My bad.
No, I've been waiting for that.
Okay. See, this is amount, but I1 is the compound interest, and I2 is the simple interest. A1 is
What?
principal plus interest. Okay.
What is that
And-
icon?
Sir, but the difference between interest is also equal to the difference between amount, right, sir? How is
No.
it different, sir?
No, it's different.
So what is I1, sir?
I1 is
is
the
the compound
interest.
interest of
Oh.
The interest during the entire procedure. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
A2 is 8,400.
I2.
Yeah, what we are given is compound interest I1 minus I2 is same as 20. Okay. So yeah, in this case, the difference between interests
So 1 second, sir. We'll solve it, sir. Why did you erase that?
it is not confusing. I2 is simple interest. Okay. So I1 is A1 minus 8,400 minus I2 equal to 21. A1 is the amount. So principal to 1 plus R by 100 is to the power 2 minus 8,400 minus simple interest, which is into R into T by 100 equal to 21.
Yes, sir.
Is this understandable?
Yes, sir.
We just have to get rid of this thing. Hope we can. Now 8,400 comes as common. This is 1 plus R by 100 is to the power 2 minus 1 minus 2R by 100 equal to 21. We open the inside expression. This is 1 square, which is 1. R square by 10,000 plus 2R by 100 minus 1 minus 2R by 100 equal to 21. 1 cancels, 2R by 100 cancels,
Okay, nothing, sir.
400 into R square by 10,000 equal to 21. Zero
So you can
cancels. R square is 21 into 100 divided by 84. 25 and R is 5.
Yes, sir. So it was very big, sir.
To confuse you,
So a bit confusing, sir.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to the other two.
A little distraction will cause the whole problem. That's what just happened. Make sure that it doesn't happen
Can
with
you go to the next page, sir?
Like,
So this was a
sir, can we even do it by substituting I2 by I1, sir?
substituting I2 by I1. Whichever way you choose, ultimately the rate of interest should be 5. So this you take it as your exercise for homework, the last task. See that you get the answer as
We had to do 5 parts today, sir, but we did only 2.
We did 4.
No, there's task 5 in part 2, right?
Oh, something like that.
so answer should come as 630.5.
I think this will be the
See that?
easiest of all. Yes, sir.
Okay. So with this we finish our unit of commercial mathematics and all the very best.
But this
Thank you,
isn't even, this isn't so this isn't more confusing than pure arithmetic, sir, because pure arithmetic was
Just
Sir,
beyond your
it's-
imagination. It was something
It
new.
could
yes, sir. Yes, sir, it was
Could be
something new,
confusing.
sir.
But once you make accustomed to it, you will get interest. Actually, the thing which you see in real life.
Yes, sir.
But I don't see any things in real life where you have to use the 4 cases, sir.
Go to bank.
Uncle, your mother is an economics teacher. You can't say that.
Hey, stop it! Don't compare me with my mother.
I'm joking.
Irritating.
Okay.
Okay, fine then. See you
Yeah.
next month.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye.